welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a creative collab look. That means I am doing it with my fellow ladies that I do a fun look with every month. And this month we are doing a pumpkin look in honor of National Pumpkin Day. And the ladies that are participating in this month is Amanda from Ayyyeeeitsamanda, Candace from Candace Hampton, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, Samantha from Samantha Slaughter, Sarah from the Daily Dose of Sarah O, and Tara from Tara_Beauty. So this is the look that I am doing for today. I was pretty much challenged. Okay, I wasn't really challenged. I was trying to come up with a pumpkin look, and I suggested a glitter look. I didn't think anyone would think it was a great idea. They thought it was a great idea, so I took it as a personal challenge that I needed to create a glitter pumpkin look, and this is what I came up with. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I am sure that you have already seen the finished product and you already know where I'm going with this, but as of right now, I really don't know where I'm going with this look, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I am going to do is prime my face with this guy right here. Okay, so I do have an eye primer. This is from OMFG. It is literally the only white eye primer that holds on me that I've been able to find so far. There may be another one, but honestly, they normally crease up really bad, and I don't really need much. So that is what we're putting on the eyes. Alright, so I'm going to get into this palette right here because there is an orange right here, and I'm going to cover my face with that orange. Okay, so I am going to go back into that palette and I'm going to give some shape. I don't really do spooky looks. I could, but I like to do more positive things. That's just me. I admire spooky looks, but that's not what we're doing. Anyways, we're going to put some shapes on the eyes and the lips, and I'm going to give everything some depth, and then I'm just going to do that and we'll get back to it. I'm going to use browns and greens to do the shapes and the lines and the dimensions, so let's get to it. Okay, so I am going to go into my Luck palette, and I am going to use this color right here called Charm. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Orange Glad palette by ColourPop, and I am going to use Ya Pill Me. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color Rise and Grind. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Sun Kissed. Okay, so I just dropped my ColourPop palette and all the things fell out, so they are not in the right place anymore, and I'm going to use this color right here. So now you can see that my face looks like a solid orange. I wanted it to look solid orange, but I wanted a little depth so you could see the lines. They're still there. I got to cover that air. The lines are still there, but like there's a little bit more depth because a pumpkin has those ridges, and that's what I was going for. So we're going to work on the eyes in a minute, and I have to decide what color I'm going to start with. Okay, so I have this loose pigment here. This is something I use for soap making, but it is also skin friendly, and I'm going to use that right now. Alright, green is laid down. We are going to go into some more green right here. I think I'm going to use this Mo Bamba color first, and I'll decide what I'm going to do after that. Okay, I don't know how well this is going to work, but I'm going to put the Mary Jane on there right there. I got the basis of what I want there done, so I think I want to move into glitter because we are doing glitter. I have this green, and this is ColourPop, and this is Fray. Alright, and there is this yellow one called Palooza, and I'm going to use that one as well. And now I've got this one here. This is Boom Baya. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Best of Life 2 palette that has 2 gold-ish colors I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one here, Fashion and Playful. Alright, I feel like now it's time for some eye stuff. I know, we already did eye stuff. I have this black glitter. I think I want to put that on. Okay, so now I'm going to put some black eyeliner in the bottom waterline, and I'm gonna, you know what, I'm just gonna outline my eye with this, and then I have this shimmer, it's an eyeliner eyeshadow. I'm gonna go over it because it is black glitter. So I got these lashes from Archie, and this is what I'm going to be using for my eyelashes. Well, actually, before I do that, I'm going to put some mascara on, and then I'm going to put these lashes on. So let me go do that. And the mascara I am using is Pixie by Petra. I couldn't get those lashes to stick, so I'm going with a different pair. I don't have the name on them, but that's the ones I'm using. So those went on a lot easier. I am sure it is because I have too much glitter on, but oh well. I'm thinking that I want to put some rhinestones on now. So that is what I'm going to do. I have some yellow or gold colored ones and some orange ones, and that is what I am going to do now. So this is my finished Halloween look, or pumpkin look. It is my glitter pumpkin look. What do you think? Do you think I did all right? Is it my favorite look? Probably not, but you know what? I think I did pretty good for a glitter pumpkin look. So anyways, don't forget to check out the other ladies' pumpkin looks, and I hope to see you in the next video.